Affiliate marketing really can make you a lot of money without a lot of effort. But there are a lot of mistakes new affiliates make. See what they are and how to avoid them. Maintain the right mindset. Understand that it will take some time and effort to build a solid affiliate business. Be willing to learn the skills and take consistent action. Drive traffic and build trust with your audience by creating helpful content. Answer common questions your audience has and be consistent. To be a successful affiliate, you need to know what's working and what isn't. Tracking helps you see where the clicks and purchases are coming from, so you can do more of what works. Avoid the temptation to spam your affiliate links everywhere. This isn't a strategy, it won't work and it will get you banned. Instead, create helpful content and embed links to a landing page or website in that content. Building strong relationships with your audience is crucial. Position yourself as a trusted advisor by offering helpful tips that solve problems in your niche. Consistency and helpfulness are key. Step 1 to any successful affiliate marketing business is to get training. You can't build something if you don't know how. Get my free affiliate marketing blueprint. The link is in the description below video.